The 6S REITs with Singapore office exposure are Capitaland Integrated Commercial Trust, Mapletree Pan Asia Commercial Trust, Suntec REITs, Keppel REITs, OUE REITs and Lendlease Global Commercial REITs. Keppel REITs, focused mainly on Singapore offices, posted a 12.3% rental reversion, with its local portfolio driving overall growth. Suntec REITs reported 3.7% distribution per unit growth amid strong operating performance from its Singapore portfolio. OUE REITs reported core DPU climbing 11.4% on year, amid a declining interest rate environment and the resilient performance of its local commercial portfolio. MPACT saw a 2.7% decrease in rental reversion at Mapletree Business City and an increase of 4.8% at its other Singapore office assets. CICT reported DPU growth of 3.5% in H1 2025 amid portfolio reconstitution, better performance from existing properties and lower interest expenses. REITs managers see Singapore offices holding firm, with Suntec REITs citing tight supply and the city's strong hub status to support CBD rents. Scan or click the link in the description to learn more about these stocks or join SGX Invest on Telegram for the latest news update. Please note this is a general commentary of historical performance and not necessarily indicative of future performance. Check out our investment courses that are up to 70% subsidized at cyberquote.com/sg or contact us at support@cyberquote.com.sg.